Welcome children. Take out your everyday English grammar and composition book. Part 7. Chapter 5. Pronouns. Today I am going to give you the answers of the exercises of this chapter. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with personal pronoun. Number 1. Tarun is a good boy. Do you like it? Number 2. I and you always studies together. Number 3. Vishal and Mohammed are brilliant students. They have won many medals. Number 4. Tanya loves music. Reena loves to dance. They are famous. Number 5. When it is cloudy, it rains. Number 6. We should speak the truth. Number 7. Our pledge says that we the Indians are brothers and sisters. This is to promote tolerance among we the people. Number 8. Please give me your opinion on this topic. Number 9. I like this pen. It is better than yours. Number 10. This book belongs to me. I bought it at the book fair. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with reflexive or emphatic pronouns. Number 1. She looked at herself in the mirror. Number 2. Blood pressure patients should get themselves checked regularly. Number 3. She herself stitches her cloth. Number 4. Arun always keeps copies of the exercise for himself. Number 5. I gave myself a chance to win the race. Number 6. We must give ourselves credit for doing a job well. Number 7. I myself advised him on his career. Number 8. She herself is to blame. Number 9. He can only blame himself for the mistake. Number 10. We ourselves went and saw the site of the accident. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with possessive pronoun. Number 1. This house is hers. Number 2. Take this book. It is yours. Number 3. I am sorry. That's yours pen, not mine. Number 4. Those students are theirs. The ones in the green uniform are ours. Number 5. Look over there. Those seats are ours. Number 6. Our shirts will be yellow. Theirs will be green. Number 7. Give them the boxes. They are theirs. Number 8. Those books are yours. Exercise D. Join the sentences in each pair with the relative pronoun. Number 1. Preeti is my friend. Preeti won the first prize. Answer. Preeti who won the first prize is my friend. Number 2. The thief stole a camera. The thief has been caught. Answer. The thief who stole a camera has been caught. Number 3. The man is visually challenged. The man was held by you. The man who is visually challenged was held by you. Number 4. I saw a bird. The bird was singing. Answer. I saw a bird that was singing. Number 5. This is the book. I lent it to you. Answer. This is the book that I lent it to you. Exercise E. Fill in the blanks with suitable relative pronouns. If no pronoun is needed, put a cross. Number 1. To whom should I give this document? Number 2. Give this money to someone who needs it. Number 3. The book that you lent me is very interesting. Number 4. This is the man who robbed the bank. Number 5. Pass me the laptop that is lying on the table. Number 6. A lady whom I know helped me find the house. Number 7. We would like to see the paintings that you have made. Number 8. There is no one who has not made a mistake. Exercise G. Fill in the blanks with indefinite or distributive pronouns from the box. Among the contestants, nobody was a clear winner, so everybody got a book. Number 2. There is somebody knocking at the door. Number 3. Sunil or Tushar, no one is a good choice. Number 4. Each of the rivals did his best to outdo the other. Number 5. Tom was reading out his speech, but few could hear him. Number 6. He fell into the ditch, but nobody was there to save him. Number 7. You can do either of the two questions. Number 8. Either of these roads will take you there. Number 9. Did you ask anybody to come? Number 10. Each has his own opinion about this. Exercise 8. Use the correct demonstrative pronouns and rewrite the sentences. Number 1. These are the books my friends gave me. Answer. These are the books my friends gave me. Number 2. These are the boys who were punished. Answer. These are the boys who were punished. Number 3. Those is Jamal's friend. Answer. Those are Jamal's friend. Number 4. All these are the people who have to go to jail. Answer. All these are the people who have to go to jail. Number 5. That are your pens. Answer. Those are your pens. Number 6. Remove the plates on the table. These are dusty. Answer. Remove the plates on the table. These are dusty. Number 7. These are presents from my family and friends. Answer. These are presents from my family and friends. Number 8. That who want to participate in the swimming competition must register their names today. Answer. Those who want to participate in the swimming competition must register their names today. Number 9. Look at the pots here that are imported from China. Answer. Look at the pots here. Those are imported from China. Number 10. My ideas are the same as that of the group. Answer. My ideas are the same as those are of the group. Now, exercise F. Write question to these answers using interrogative pronouns. Number 1. I ate the pizza. Question. Who ate the pizza? Number 2. The auditorium was inaugurated by a minister. Question. Who inaugurated the auditorium? Number 3. All the girls saw the movie. Question. Who saw the movie? Number 4. He is an engineer and works in a factory. Answer. Who is he and where does he work? Number 5. His job is to sell medical equipment. Question. What is his job? Number 6. I am reading a book on the life of William Shakespeare. Question. What are you reading? Number 7. John is knocking at the door. Question. Who is knocking at the door? Number 8. I like cartoon programs the most. Question. What do you like? Number 9. This book is Ramaya's. Question. Whose book is this? Now let me tell you that you all will have to make a separate copy for English 1, that is English grammar. Write all the exercises in your copy. I will check it later. And now write your diary. In diary you write all the exercises of chapter 5 in your copy. And with this I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.